Hey, what's up? This is Joe. I am recovering from a shoulder injury out here in Del Rio, Texas. I got my camp under that mesquite tree back there. But just trying to rest and recuperate. But in the meantime, I hope you like this video I made about working the 2022 Biketoberfest motorcycle rally in Daytona Beach, Florida. So for the past few years, my boss Alan at Memphis Shades has been flying me out to work this rally from wherever I happen to be at the moment. We usually get backstage passes to the AFT Pro Flat Track races since we're sponsoring two of the guys in the league, Cole Zabala and Dan Bromley. It was a pretty awesome time, and as you'll see, both of the guys did great. I wanted to extend a very special thank you to everybody who came out to show their support. That's one of the things that makes working these rallies so fun is I get to meet a lot of you guys out there. So with that being said, I think you guys know the deal. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Additionally, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anyone who'd like to contribute to this project, as well as an alternate for anybody who might not want to support a certain money exchange platform which has been in the news lately. I completely sympathize and understand. So if that is the case, I've included an alternate in the drop box. I say that simply to people who enjoy this channel and would like to contribute. Otherwise, these videos are free. They've always been free. They always will be free. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this video of Biketoberfest 2022. About 6 a.m. These guys are giving me a lift to the airport. Yep. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. We're finally getting rid of him.
They're gonna miss me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we once again welcome you aboard. You can earn JetBlue, True Blue frequent flyer points, and United Airlines Mileage Plus Award miles for all of your flights on Silver Airways.
When I get on the plane, it's like, what the fuck is this thing?
I never had to walk outside like that. Really?
Yeah, you know, these places.
Yeah. All right, 13-gallon trash bags and some dinners. Okay.
They're nice and small.
Ormond Beach, Florida. Boss sent me on a grocery run, so I'm riding this Softail Slim. There is something about a Harley, man. There's just really nothing else like it. It feels like you're breaking the law. And there's the ever popular Road Warrior fairing on the Softail Slim. The black and the red actually looks pretty good, and rides pretty great on the highway actually.
House.
Plenty of motorcycles out here.
Yeah.
I don't have as much pep in my step.
Yeah.
How's it going? Okay. Okay. Really? Yeah, it looked like it. Genuine guy.
I've just come down looking for you.
We just got here.
There you are.
We ate dinner. Mike Corbin, Dirty Motorcycle Vagabond, star of
Is
YouTube.
that right?
Yes, sir.
Star of YouTube.
Just a star of YouTube, huh?
Yep.
So you're like a millionaire, right?
Oh yeah.
Everybody on millionaire.
Hundreds of dollars.
Money flying out of my pockets. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
Give one to my grandson.
Sure, sure.
It's a little short.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, it's good over there.
Yeah,
Hi, Corbin. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
What's going on, man?
Not much.
What bike is Dan taking? That one? Okay.
Yeah, he took that out. That's the 700 to 750. So
Oh,
the
okay.
first qualifier, which we was fastest, it was this one. He goes, well, I want to try that because he really likes that frame. But
Yeah.
he's podiumed on a 700 in the
Yeah.
750s.
Okay. Yeah,
But
yeah.
it
So that's just got a vertical shock going that way, and then
different, yep,
that's
it's a whole
going that
different
way.
frame setup. I mean, look at
Oh,
the
everything's different.
I mean,
Yeah, it's completely different.
yeah. Now this is it's called a J&M. What's that frame called?
It might be a C&J.
C&J. I mean, they'll have
Okay.
like the J&M, C&J.
Let's go. Damn, must have got a great start.
Oh, geez.
He's on the back row.
That's one way to do it.
on, hurry up. Jump on, I'm gonna run. Alright. Sierra, hop on. Hop on quick. Get in here. Ah. Grandpa, you got this. He's riding a little dirt bike. Hold on tight.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures, yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to get everybody that was in front of me.
All ugly mugs and black. Yeah. Joe, you go on TikTok? We're doing our own thing here.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Because we're going to leave.
That
That was great.
We should have known that we could just see you up here on the box.
I mean, Nick doubted me. I told him I'm going to go around everybody on the outside.
You guys gotta go. If you're doing the Super Twins lane, you gotta go.
I got a helmet ready. They got to work on the light.
I'm getting to the
So I didn't see how he did that, but I guess that's what he did.
Yeah.